feel that the nervousness is the same. It's like end of the day we are putting forward this whatever we've made, the story towards the audience. So I don't think there's any difference in the nervousness, but this OTT platform is something new for me also ever since I've come into the industry. So having something of my work released first day on an OTT platform. So,
Yes.
but I have elephants in my stomach, not butterflies.
Does that happen for every movie, Anushka?
Every single movie. My first 1 week for a new movie, and then every release I have elephants, everything happening in my stomach. And Hemant Garu, like all of them said already that first we heard the movie, it was like the entire movie was a silent movie, and then I had to play a mute. But it was my first Tamil movie was with Maddie. My first Telugu movie, all of you know. So the whole thing comes to the industry, learning how to deliver dialogue, learning that whole that bit of it, and then when this movie came to me again to play a mute, it was something that I myself was wondering that how would I play something like that, to how the whole thing to emote something, a character playing a mute, because I'd heard the story, and what made it easier for me was the first time the story was narrated, the way Hemant Garu Konagar had written it itself, the silent movie itself, each scene carried the story by itself. It didn't require dialogues. So it was so beautifully written that it could just tell the story by itself. So that was something that really helped. And then of course, we trained in Indian Sign Language and International Sign Language here in Hyderabad. And then when we went to shoot in America, that's when we took a call to shift to American Sign Language. There we had another person who's working who's a part of the cast. Her name's Olivia. So she's trained in American Sign Language. So it was very sweet of her to help me out with the dialogue so that we could, and so we worked more on the dialogues which we were using in the movie. We also used this app technique, which is very common nowadays, where they have apps where you can communicate with the person who is mute. So there's a mix of the whole thing. But I would want to say that in this movie, it's not about Sakshi's character. It's from Maddie's character, Michael Madison, Anjali, Shalini, Subraj, all of us. I think each one of our characters is very, very important to drive the other character, to drive the story ahead. And it's like how you have 6 characters. It just happens in my line, and we're focusing on something. The whole focus would be all the characters in the story.
So how was your experience working with Anushka?
She's an amazing lady. When I first worked with her in Rende, she was a newcomer. She had done a couple of films in Tamil, and the sweet, charming, very talented girl. And then I get to work with her 14 years later. She's as charming and beautiful as ever. On top of that, she's so well versed with cinema. She knows about everything that is happening. She's taken up responsibility. She makes sure everybody is comfortable on the set. She had, like how a hero takes up responsibility for his film, she's done more than that. And I'm very impressed with the way, how caring she was and how she was involved with the script, everybody's characters, everything. I'm very impressed with Anushka.
Anushka, the same question to you also. How was it working with Maddie, sir? I heard him saying that it's after 14 years.
14 years, and it was my first Tamil film. Actually, my first Tamil film I worked with him. Sundar C was the director. It was Rende.
Yeah.
I remember how nervous. There's some scene and all. I remember that so well, and I was just so nervous. And I remember Maddie, not only with the acting part of it, he was helping me out even with the makeup. Remember Maddie?
Yeah, I do.
And how to make things, there's certain things in your look and all that should make a difference and elevate the character more. After that, we've not been in touch for a long time. We've just bumped into each other a few times, and it was very nice to meet him again. Always been an admirer of his work, and yes, now Maddie is like an all-rounder, from a producer, like a director to an actor. So it's very nice to see, and it's something I've always, from day one till now, something I've always learned from him, being around him. And one more thing was really nice to see was his wife Sarita and his son. I remember seeing his son when he was 1 year old, Maddie, right?
Yeah. He was just born that time.
Yeah. He's grown up, and he's a national level swimmer.
Yeah.
I never realized time's gone by so much. You know, it was so.
I know. But we had a good time, Anushka, right? We had such a lovely time in Seattle as well.
Yeah.
And then she helped me a lot with rocketry also. I showed her a couple of scenes and she was so like, I can never forget your reactions. Thanks.
No, I'm something all of us are looking forward to now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hemant Garu, I have a question. Where's the debutant? Where's our little...
Oh, I'll call her.
Please throw the question. Question आपके screen पे. अरे, where is he going away? Hello. Hello. He's gone to bring his phono friend for this question.
No, he's bringing his daughter, I guess, the little one.
Oh, surprise!
She made a debut. Yes.
Debut.
He's the
Okay.
debut.
It's her debut. Silence is her debut.
Is Junior Anushka.
Hi. How? Oh, she's grown. My God, in 1 year she's grown.
One year she's girl, sir.
Hello.
Hey, we're looking forward to see you in the movie tonight.
Are you
Oh,
excited?
she's shy.
We met earlier in my show, Cash. That's me. Yeah.
Are you scaring her? That's me.
Yeah, because it's a thriller movie, so even the host has to actually scare people in between like this.
Maybe are you excited?
Anushka is asking a question to you. Hemant Garu.
Yeah.
Anushka is asking a question.
Definitely.
Nivi, you excited? Yeah. Nishabdam, the title song. One of my most favorite songs.
Okay.
For this character especially, we thought we just go with a total new look. We were trying to figure out a few looks for that when we were here. Nirja Kona did the costume. It was done by her. That's she did, like, we sat with the team, decided what we wanted to do with the costume. We just wanted to go with a very new look first thing. Whole backdrop having there and give me a total new look. And Banu Bashyam did the first look test when the makeup artist Banu Bashyam, she did my first look test, and then she decided that, you know, she go with her short hair, and she chose to do all that. And Nikki Rajani is the one who did my makeup, and we had a hairstylist from America. Her name is Camila. So it was all of that put together. There was an effort which was put into it to make sure that we get something new, because this would be this short hair and the look that we have in this movie is the first time I'm ever having in this, sporting in this 15 years. So in terms of the looks, in terms of the character, everything's actually very, very new. All of it.
Okay, great. I know you take a lot of effort in all your movies that you have done, whether it has been Arundhati, Bahubali, or Bhagmati, or any films, Tamil, Telugu, across. And during lockdown, because you were at home for a long time, did you grow an inch taller?
No, not me.
Looks like you're almost touching the ceiling.
Ceiling.
Okay. Of today. So are you all ready for a picture with the cast and crew? Everybody comb your hair, a little bit of touch up, smile on the face.
What are you doing, Maddie? What are you doing?
Maddie, you're frozen, Maddie.
No, it's not frozen.
I'm just trying to get attention. I was feeling lonely.
Oh, okay. So are we ready? So everybody just have a very pleasant smile on your face. Yes, and we are clicking the picture. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So you can also click your pictures when you're watching with your family the movie on Amazon Prime Video tonight. And you can, the first day, first screen picture, you can hashtag along with hashtag Nishabdam on Prime, hashtag silence on Prime, and tag at Prime Video in. So all of you all, are you all going to do it? If you all are going to click a picture of yourself with the family, please raise your right hand and wave. Yay! Wow, wow. You can see so much of excitement in everybody's faces, just like me. Okay, thank you so much, everybody. Just like y'all, I'm just waiting for this clock to move very fast, such that I can get to watch the movie. Subbaraj Garu, you're watching the film tonight? You're watching the film tonight?
Of course.
He's instructed everybody doing.
I know, but are you going to watch it with with the lights off?
Yeah, of course.
Sitting all alone.
See, that's the whole fun of thriller, right?
I know, but are you going to do it?
Yeah, of course I do. And even I'm suggesting you, Suma Garu, just watch it tonight. All lights off, good music, no disturbance, no pause, no fast forward, no rewind, nothing.
No Rajiv Kanakala?
Have fun.
Rajiv Kanakala is her husband.
Yeah.
Madison.
And thank you. I was wondering what was happening. Good. No, you should watch it with your husband. You know, you have to have somebody to hug while you're watching it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hold hand when you get scared of.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much, all the fans, friends, for joining for today's pre-release celebrations of Nishabdam. And probably we'll have events like this very soon, wherein y'all can also express yourself, y'all can talk, and y'all will be unmuted. And looking forward to having normal events wherein we can meet in person and have a wonderful time. So thank you so much, Maddie sir, Anushka, Hemant sir, Subbaraj Garu, Anjali, Shalini, everybody. And yeah, Anushka wanted to say something, please.
No, I just want to half of us are here. There are so many of them who worked on and the other technicians and crew. So I think from their side and all of that, because all of them are responsible for having this product outside now. Yes. I'm sure each one of us is thinking the same thing. So big thank you to all of them who've been a part of this movie behind the scenes and have made this happen. So big thank you to all of them.
Yeah, I just wanted to add that the cinematography is amazing.
Chanel
Dios.
It's amazing. The background score, the music.
Yeah, Girish,
Gopi Sundar. Yeah. So,
and our producer, Mr. Prasad, Kona Venkat, all of these people.
Yeah. Without them, this movie wouldn't have happened. So thanks to them too. And thanks to the fans who've been waiting for the movie. It's for y'all, for your entertainment. So please go ahead, watch the film on Amazon Prime Video. Thank you, Anjali, Shalini, Maddie, Hemant, Subbaraju, Anushka.
Thank you.
Love you all.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.